Hello out there. Well, I'm checking out my new fan here. Been using it for a couple hours now in the kitchen. Cooking with my air fryer, and it started getting hot in here, and I pulled this out to test it in the room, and I just have it point out toward the window, and it is really working nice. And I only have it on the second level right now. It has 3 levels. There's the third. So, for the heck of it, I might leave it there when we're done with this. And that red light signifies it's off. 1, 2, 3. And then on top, we put a lower for this. Right now on top, you also have a timer for 2 hours, 4, 6, and 8. So that's pretty cool. And another nice thing is that the fan swivels from the inside, so you're not turning the whole thing. When I first saw it, I didn't notice that, and I thought, oh man, it's just stuck in one direction. But no, that's pretty cool. Able to also move your wind where you like. So again, this is 12 inches. I gotta measure that blade to make sure. I'll put it in the comments later. That's what it says. But either way, it is a very good, powerful fan. And another good thing on it, here, let me just show you the back of this real quick. Again, this is a corded fan. This is AC. Back there, a little bit of back information. So you're actually plugging this in to 110 or 120 power, and no USB on this one. So definitely some good power. Very happy with it. There it is.